Globe showing Europe Africa The Simpsons, a threat to global peace, predictions or a global agenda? Fountain Pen Mashrik News Special Analysis. For millions of viewers around the world, The Simpsons is just a humorous cartoon series. But for those who observe closely, it's far more than just entertainment. For decades, this cartoon has presented an unbelievable series of predictions: 9/11, Trump's presidency, the COVID-19 pandemic, all foreshadowed before they actually happened. When coincidences happen too frequently, are they really still just coincidences? This question has moved beyond mere suspicion. Serious global observers are beginning to consider this cartoon a psychological weapon, one that misguides public opinion, spreads fear, and normalizes sinister agendas of global powers under the disguise of humor. In speech bubble prediction or planning? The events portrayed in The Simpsons often turn into reality events that end up altering the course of global politics and economics. Is it just imagination? Or is it reflecting a calculated mindset steering the world toward a specific direction? Wars, riots, regime changes, pandemics, even global treaties, all have been foretold in this animated show. The real question remains, are these glimpses of the future, or blueprints for it? Joystick: the dangerous game of mind conditioning. Series like The Simpsons play the game of normalization. Concepts that are morally and socially unacceptable are shown repeatedly on screen until they become tolerable to the public. A cartoon viewed by both children and adults, repeatedly sending messages that war is inevitable, and global destruction is approaching, breeds fear, hopelessness, and distrust. It becomes a quiet but deadly weapon of psychological warfare. Fire: a tool of wartime psychology? This is not just light-hearted entertainment. It's preparation, mental conditioning for a world at war. When people are shown over and over that war is coming, they begin to accept it as unavoidable. Wrapped in humor, these seeds of fear lay the groundwork for future conflict. Where's the real danger? If a cartoon can predict the world's most catastrophic events before they happen, then we must ask ourselves, where is this content coming from? Who controls it? Could it be a psychological project orchestrated by global agencies? Is media truly in the hands of those who shape and wage wars? The bottom line. We must remain vigilant. Not everything presented as entertainment is harmless. The Simpsons is not merely a cartoon, it's an ideology. An ideology that's silently eating away at our peace, our consciousness, and the future of our generations like a slow, corrosive poison. Light bulb think. Is it really just a cartoon?